Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to change Microsoft Loop language. Now, changing the language set in the Microsoft Loop can enhance your user experience by aligning the interface and spell check with your preferred language. And here's how you can adjust the settings. First off, you need to change the display language in Microsoft Loop. Open the Microsoft Loop app on your desktop, like I have done right here. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on the settings icon, which is at the top right corner of the app. So once you click on that, you have a drop down menu to say settings, help and feedback, download the mobile app, and about. So click on settings from the drop down menu, and that is going to take you here. So head over to the left navigation panel. You're going to see a couple of options. You have general, you have accessibility, you have languages, you have editor, and of course you have storage. Now go ahead and click on languages. So once you click on languages, you're going to see a couple of options here, editor proofing languages, and you have this, and add another language. Select add another language and click on this drop down menu. And once you click on the drop down menu, you're going to see a couple of more options. So scroll down now. Loop supports a wide array of languages, as you can see, even starting from this one, Chinese, South Africa. So scroll down and you're gonna see a couple. Oh, blah, blah, blah. So go ahead and select the language that you would like to add. I think I'd like to add English United Kingdom because I love it. So click on this add button and see that the language has been added. So click on the three dots that's right next to it. It says move down, or click on this. It says move to the top or move up. Once you move anyone to the top, that becomes like your primary language. So if the language is not option is not available within the Loop app setting for you, you may need to adjust your system's language settings, as Loop often inherits the language preferences from your operating system. So you can change the language for spell check, access Microsoft account settings, that's for spell check, and visit the Microsoft account settings page. I'm going to walk you through this, but I'm just going to tell you how it works. Then click on settings and privacy, select language and time zone. Under language, choose your preferred language from the drop down menu. Ensure that the language you select is listed first in your preferred languages, and click save to apply the new language settings. Then the spell check language in Microsoft Loop is influenced by the language settings of your Microsoft account. And you can also change the language in your browser version of Microsoft Loop, and change the language in the Microsoft Loop desktop app itself. So by following these steps, you can customize the language settings in Microsoft Loop to suit your preferences, enhancing your overall experience with the application. So now you can go one tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.